Today I'm upgrading my HANDCAM setup with a Fifine K420 2K. Let's unbox it, test it, and see if it's worth adding it to your setup. Before we open the box, here's a quick look at everything the Fifine K420 has to offer. And here you can see that it's compatible with Windows OS, Mac OS, Chrome OS, Android and Linux, and many more. Inside the box you will find the user guide, which is handy for setup, but honestly this webcam is so simple to use you probably won't need it much for it. You will notice a protective foam insert above the webcam. It keeps the camera safe from scratches or bumps during shipping, which is really good. Now let's check out what else comes in the box. Here you have the webcam itself and a long high quality USB cable, so you won't have a problem mounting your camera close or a bit far from your PC. The webcam also has a protective lens cover to keep your camera safe when you're not using it. And the last thing on the box here is a small tripod that if you want to use it to mount your camera. Now let's check out the base. It's a flexible clip that easily attaches to your monitor or laptop, and it has a rubber grip so it won't scratch your screen. You can tilt the camera up and down 360 degrees to get the perfect angle, and it's pretty sturdy. Plus it's versatile enough to fit most monitors. On the bottom of the webcam you will see a standard screw hole. That means you can attach it to any tripod you have, not just the one that comes in the box. So if you want to adjust the height or get a different angle, you're not limited to included mount. Or you can just grab the camera and put it above your monitor and just have it there. This makes it easy to adjust your angles whether you're using it for conference, call, or streaming. Plus it's lightweight and mounts easily on your monitor. And as I said before, this camera is plug and play and it's easy to set up. All you have to do is just grab the USB cable and plug it on your PC. Then if you want to add it to OBS, just go here on the plus sign, press the plus, and go to video capture card and add the K420. Another cool feature is the little indicator lights on the webcam. There's a green light that turns on whenever the camera is recording, so you'll always know when it's active. Now let's talk about the image quality. The K420 records in 2K resolution, 2560 by 1440, offering a significant upgrade from 1080p. Here's a quick comparison. Now that we have got the webcam mount and everything set up, one thing I want to point out before we do the comparison is the 120 field of view. It's pretty wide, which means you can get more of your desk or workspace in the frame without having it to adjust the camera. The 2K footage is noticeably sharper with more detail, making it perfect for content creators. The built-in microphone is another nice feature. It does a good job picking up clear, natural audio, which is great for video calls or casual streaming. Here's a quick sample on how it sounds.
Yo, mic test. This is the microphone from the camera. It actually doesn't sound that bad for a microphone that is in a camera. You can also adjust some effects and you can make it work. But this is the microphone from the camera.
As you can hear, the mic does a solid job. It's not going to replace a professional mic, but for most everyday user it works just fine. One standout feature is the automatically light correction. When you turn the light off, the camera adjusts the exposure to keep the image looking good. And when you turn the light back on, it readjusts automatically. This is perfect if you're recording for low light environments. If you guys want to get this camera, I'll leave the link in the description. Really, bro? I know where it is. That's not a headshot? No, I had it, bro. It's just I have to, I don't know why. What is this? You probably didn't know why. he quit. GG's, bro.